Today I'm going to make interesting logo for you guys. So stay tuned in the end. Now let's start. So first of all, I take this name and create outline and group. No. Good. Select this basic shape rectangle tool and arrange center back. Click this and align it with, and then choose the color. Okay, as per you want. Okay. Okay. And now take this, ungroup it, and take this rectangle tool and draw a very, and take this and place it according to the, okay. So take this and select all and go to pathfinder and divide it, ungroup it, delete the unnecessary parts and delete all. And now I'm going to take this pen tool and this add anchor point tool plus. Now taking this and this. So now we are going to point this and this. Okay, and now go to direct selection tool and click this and this one is nice, and taking this. So we are going to take a little bit and it's done. Now taking this and unite it. And now again taking this, unite it. I'm going to choose color. This color is best, I think. And now we are going again, taking the lightest color of, so now it is done. Drop it and you are all set to go. This is the final look of the logo. You can present on Mockup as well. So uh, let's stitch this and place it, enter, and align your and save. And this is the final logo. I hope you guys liked the video. Do share and subscribe and follow me on Behance as well. And if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.